We're just looking at our ringtones and our notifications. I'm gonna start with notifications. So, mine is like chocolate. What is silent? Nothing. How about chaos? It's not chaos. Yeah, that's mine. How about this one? Ta-da! Cosmic Radio. That's one good. Crystal, I heard about this one is good. Let's go try. Oh no, I accidentally pressed Daydream. It is. That's Daydream. I like that one. Yeah, this is also good. How about Idea? And Jump. Laser. I like this one. It's 8-bit. Latch. Molecule is actually good. How about White Dwarf? Sounds like nothing. Signal. This one was mine before Spaceline. That's the one that I heard. This is the notification stuff on my calendar. It's an event when I even started. Telepathy. Transmitter. Vintage. Wobble. Oh, wait. Yeah, I need to change it back to chocolate. Chocolate from One Plus Speed Keeper Escape. Now we're gonna try ringtone. Mine was Homecoming. We're gonna start back here. Silent. How about 80s phone? Ah! Oh, that was good. Comic bow. Basic bow. Basic tone. Ah! Beep once. This one's good, but this is actually feeling disgusting because it kind of reminds me of something disgusting. That's my ringtone when I'm about to go to school. Chime time, I don't like that one. I don't really like chime. Classic bow. UK, come here. Oh yeah. Flight. If this says flight, we're gonna go to Taiwan right now. Oh, this was good. How about Glazy Bow? Glazy Bow, not Lazy Bow. Yeah, this one's also good. How about Haze? Stop. Okay, so Homecoming is right now, so we're gonna try. I hope this is not the replacement of Morning Flower because I like the Morning Flower and the Homecoming. If this is if it's replaced, I will be sad. No. Interstellar. Stella. Oh, okay, this one's loud. It's already 8 a.m.
What are you talking to? Nay?
Hmm?
What are you talking to?
It's just recording. Anyways, don't. I hope you didn't hear that. Have a reflection. No. I don't know if this is 8-bit, but I also like this one. What's your beat? I want this one. Shimmer. Oh, sparkle. How about Starburst, that one candy? Oh, this is good. Gotta go back on homecoming. Everybody, that was all. And bye.